Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best 12 volts RV water pump on the market, the WASSERMANN RV pump. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and powerful water pump for your RV, marine vessel, camping setup, yacht, or even your garden, this is definitely a product you want to know about. The WASSERMANN RV pump is a 12-volt self-priming water pressure pump designed to deliver a strong output of up to 4 gallons per minute with a pressure setting of 45 psi. This combination makes it ideal for a wide range of freshwater applications where you need consistent water flow and pressure. One of the standout features of this pump is its 12 volts DC motor, which can be powered by any 12-volt battery or connected directly to a cigarette lighter socket in your RV or camper. This makes installation straightforward and versatile, giving you the freedom to set it up almost anywhere you need. The pump includes a built-in pressure switch that automatically controls the pump operation. What this means is, when you turn on your tap or water fixture, the pump will start running and deliver water, and once you turn off the tap, it stops automatically. This hands-free operation helps save battery life and reduces unnecessary wear on the pump. Durability is another key aspect of the WASSERMANN pump. It features a corrosion-resistant design and is built to handle dry running without damage. This is a great safety feature because sometimes pumps can run dry accidentally, and with this model, you don't have to worry about immediate damage if that happens. The pump itself has a compact design with dimensions of roughly 8 by 5 by 5 inches, weighing just over 4 pounds, making it portable and easy to fit in tight spaces. It comes with several accessories including two 1/2-inch barbed hose adapters, a 1/2-inch male thread hose adapter, a filter to keep debris out, and clamps for secure installation. All of these accessories make it a complete package ready for setup. Performance-wise, the pump has a maximum lifting height of 98 feet, which means it can handle elevation changes well. Whether your water source is below or above your pump, it will still maintain consistent water delivery. The 3-chamber design contributes to quieter operation and better water flow, making your experience smooth and less noisy. The motor is built with copper components, which means it runs efficiently with lower power consumption and generates less noise compared to other pumps with aluminum or plastic motors. This copper motor also offers thermal overload protection, so if the motor overheats due to overload, it will automatically shut off to prevent damage. Another thoughtful feature is the rubber mounting bracket included with the pump. This helps to reduce vibration and noise, contributing to quieter operation when the pump is running. This is especially useful in an RV or camper where minimizing noise is always appreciated. Maintenance is easy thanks to the filter installed at the pump inlet. This filter traps debris and particles before they can enter the pump, protecting the internal components and extending the life of the pump. The filter is simple to remove and clean, which means you won't need professional help or complicated procedures to keep your pump running smoothly. The WASSERMANN 12 volts RV water pump is designed with practical user needs in mind. Its self-priming ability means you don't have to worry about manually priming the pump before use, saving you time and hassle. And with its corrosion resistance, it's suited not just for fresh water but also for marine environments. Overall, this pump offers a combination of power, durability, and ease of use that makes it a top choice for anyone needing a dependable 12 volts water pump for recreational vehicles or small-scale water transfer needs. Whether you're camping, boating, or working in your garden, this pump can deliver consistent water pressure and flow with minimal fuss. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth product insights. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.